Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to justify text here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Justifying text in Canva helps create a clean and organized look, especially for body text in documents, brochures, and reports. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to open the existing project or design that you're working with. If you haven't already, just click on the Create a Design option on the upper left corner, or maybe choose the template that you wanted. You can start with a business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitations. In my case, I'm just going to be using the creative blank YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload alongside with it a thumbnail in our GPLAPS YouTube channel. Now here, I'm going to upload a certain file, all right? Now I'm going to hover to the text and add a text box. And I'm just going to, let's say, create random text. Just like that one. Copy that. And just unlike this. Now for you to be able to justify that, all I'm going to do is click on the text for now. Let me just edit this one. Say, for example, this is... Click on the first text box. I want you to click on this alignment. Now the first one is going to be left. Second is going to be right. And the third one is the justified feature here in Canva. You can do the same thing here. First one is left. That and the last is going to be justified. Now if you drag this, as you can see, it's going to be a lot easier for you to maneuver and edit the text here in Canva. You see, justifying text can help create a polished and professional appearance in your designs. All right. And again, before finalizing, you might want to preview your design by clicking on this section right here in the overall layout. Once you are happy with this, all you're going to do now is click on the share button. You can download as PNG, JPEG, PDF, and a lot more. Or if you wanted, just share it with your team member by copying this link. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.